Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be discussing a question from IIT JEE January 2025 session, and this question is from differentiation. So this is the question. This one. Let f is a function from 0 to infinity to r be a function which is differentiable at all of its domain. So it is differentiable in the 0 to infinity interval and satisfies the condition this with f of 1 equals to 4. Then what will be the value of 2f2? So let me first write down the expression, which is x square fx equals to 2x fx plus 3, and this is the expression, right? 2x fx plus 3, and there is a condition which is f of 1 equals to 4. So f of 1 equals to 4. So we have x square fx minus 2x fx equals to 3, and there is a dash. Okay, so I think I have missed the dash. Yeah, there should be a dash here. There is a dash here. Okay, so this is the function. So if there is a plus sign and this dash, okay, so if there is a plus sign between these two, then we could have written it as x square fx, derivative of x square fx, but there is a minus sign. So for minus, what we can do, we can divide both sides by x power 4. So it will give x square f dash x minus 2x fx divided by x power 4 divided by 3 by x power 4. So what it will give? It will give 1 by x square f dash x minus 2 by x cube fx divided by 3 by x power 4. So for minus, we are dividing by x power 4. If there was a plus, we could have written that as ddx of x square fx. So in this case, we can see that this is f dash x, which is the derivative of x, and there is a function 1 by x square. However, here we have the derivative of this function, which is 1 by x square minus 2 by x cube, and there is the function fx. So by multiplication rule of derivative, we can see that this is actually 1 by x square fx equals to 3 by x power 4. Now we can integrate both sides. So by integrating both sides, here we will obtain 1 by x square fx, and we need to integrate this term here. So by doing that, we will get fx by x square equals to 3 integration dx by x power 4 and plus c. So this plus c, the value of plus c can be obtained from this expression f of 1 equals to 4. So let me do the integration fx x square, and it will be 3 x power minus 3. There will be a minus 3 here, c. So 3 and 3 will get cancelled out. It is actually minus x power minus 3 plus c. So by using the condition f of 1 equals to 4 here, we will obtain 4 by 1 square equals to minus 1 plus c. So this gives c equals to 5. So by putting this c equals to 5 here, we will get this expression, which is fx equals to x square 5 minus x power minus 3, which is 5x square minus 1 by x. So we need to find the value of 2f2. So 2 into 5 by 2 square. So there is 5x square minus 1 by x, and there is a 1 by 2. So it will give I think 40. 2 square is 4 and into 2 is 8. 8 into 5 is 40 minus 1. So it will give 39. So this 39 is the answer of that expression. So let us now, so this one here, this option is the correct option, option C. Thank you for watching today's video. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.